How to create a group on WhatsApp. So here's a quick and easy guide on how to create a group on WhatsApp, whether you are using Android, iPhone or WhatsApp Wave. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the WhatsApp on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp account, tap on the chats icon available at the bottom tab. And once you're in the chats icon, then all you have to do is tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the plus icon, you can simply see new group option available there selected. Now choose contacts to add. You can select up to 1024 members to add on your group. Then all you have to do is tap the arrow on the next button. Once you add them, simply tap on the next option available at the top right corner of your screen. So now once you tap on the next, all you have to do is enter your group name and tap on the create option available at the top right corner and create your group. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.